Everyone, okay, so currently we are in the midst of a very big crypto crash currently. So Bitcoin has moved all the way down from 70K to about 67K. Okay, so this video will be about Bitcoin. So this is one of the posts that I made in Twitter. That's about 5th April. Okay, so that was about 1 week ago. And I believe that Bitcoin would retrace to maybe around 50K. Now, this video will be talking about whether this 50K is it still valid, okay? And why was I bearish on Bitcoin, and why I was very cautious on entering any leverage longs in Bitcoin, okay? So let's just look at this chart here. So this was quite a long time ago. I mean, if you were to pull out a chart of Bitcoin, I believe this is the 8-hour chart. Okay, yeah, this is the 8-hour chart. So I'll just go back to 8 hours, and the price was maybe around here, I believe. Yeah, so this is about 69K, which was around here. So I believe that Bitcoin would, from this price, crash all the way down to 50K. And it seems like it didn't happen immediately. Okay, the price actually moved from about 68K to 72K, and at that price it reversed. Okay, and it placed a huge rejection of a major resistance, and I'll talk about this resistance later. Okay, I think I can just show it right now, so I think it'll be more clearer. Okay, so this is the chart. I believe I drew it on the Binance chart. Okay, and if I put it on the weekly, you can see it very clearly now. Okay, I think it's probably the other one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so this is a gigantic H4 that I drew. Okay, this pattern is quite familiar to you, right? This is the 2022 bear market, and if you were to draw the entire pitchfork from this point A, B, C, you'll find that the median line lies exactly at where we are today. Okay, and of course, as we know, this is a divergent median line. Okay, a divergent median line, okay, is where the normal median goes upwards, and the modified shift median line goes downwards. Okay, so yeah, this is what I call a divergent median. And in divergent median lines, this is what happens quite often, is that the price goes up to the median line, okay, and it tries to make it above it. Okay, and when it doesn't make it above the median line, it will just crash straight down to the lower parallel. And currently the lower parallel is around the price of 48K. Okay, so yeah, this is the reason why I was quite intent on watching this area, because if it really does fail this median line, it looks like 48K might be the next target. Yeah, so here we are today. Okay, so we are now at the price of, yeah, we are at the price of 67K, and it looks to me that the price has more or less rejected this line. Okay, yeah, this median line here. So this is the median line that I showed you just now in the weekly chart. Okay, so the price went above it, then went back down, tested it again, dropped down. Okay, then tested it 3 times, okay, or 4 times if you were to count this week. Then it went down again, went back up, false breakout, went down again. Okay, so personally, you ask me, it looks like the price really wants to go lower than this median line. Yeah, and unfortunately, that would probably put the price around 50K. Yeah, if it does reject this line. So that's the reason why we are at a huge decision point for Bitcoin right here. And it's the reason why I predicted a 50K in this Twitter post. Now, I'm still not exactly sure whether it would really move down from this median line. Okay, but I would say that if it does do that, I'm not surprised if it goes straight down to the low parallel. Yeah, which is right here. This is the line. Okay, low parallel. As you can see, this ribbon here, and this is actually the 200-day SMA. Okay, now it is very common for the price to touch the 200-day SMA, okay, of Bitcoin. So if it does go down there and bounces and goes sideways, this is what I believe would happen. What will happen is the out season. Okay, the out season would actually happen when the price goes down, Bitcoin's price goes down to the 200-day SMA, bounce from it, so it has to be on top of it, of the 200-day SMA, and go sideways, and that's where the out season really happens. Okay, I can show you. In 2021, this is what happened. Okay, so this is a 200-day SMA. You can see here. Okay, when the price went down here, went back up, okay, tested it above the 200-day SMA. This, I believe, that was the top for a lot of altcoins. A lot of altcoins shot up very significantly in this area. Okay, one of the altcoins that shot up huge amount was Phantom. Okay, which is one of my biggest bags that I got during 2021. Okay, yeah, so this is where the big out season will happen, when the price touches above the 200-day SMA and it goes back up. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason why I am still holding to some altcoins. Okay, I haven't sold all my Phantom yet. Yeah, that's a main reason why I'm still anticipating an out season of some sort. Okay, but in terms of Bitcoin, yeah, I would say that hopefully it doesn't happen, but you know, if it really shows to us that it wants to bounce away from this median line, okay, I will expect a 50k to happen at some point. Okay, so at which point would I say that I'm quite confident that the price would crash all the way down to the lower parallel. Okay, by the way, the lower parallel currently is at a price of 38k, but obviously it's not going to crash all the way at, you know, 38k. It'll probably take some time, like maybe at least, you know, like this kind of pattern. Okay, yeah, so it'll take some time. Okay, so at which point will I be confident that the price would really crash to the lower parallel? And that's when the price retests a major liquidity zone. Okay, this is what I call the volume profile. You can find that in the trading view with this icon. Okay, this is the icon. Yeah, fixed range volume profile. Yeah, it's right here. So it shows you the area where there's a huge amount of interest from traders. Okay, and this is one area over here, and the price would be around 66k. Okay, if the price goes down here, okay, well, is there yeah, anyways, if the price goes down, okay, retests this level from the bottom and drops like this, okay, and the volume is rising, when the price goes down from this red color bar, that is a confirmation that the price might very well visit the lower parallel. Yeah, so for now, I'm just putting it at 50k for now. You know, that's a bearish prediction. Of course, you know, this is not a guarantee that it's going to go down to 50k. It's just that, you know, if you were to consider a bearish situation, yeah, this is probably where you want to target. Okay, so yeah, that's all I want to say today. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe it. I'm going to update a bit more in the coming days. Okay, it seems like these few days is quite severe in the markets. You know, like for example, I think recently you heard you know, the Federal Reserve in the United States is quite hawkish, right? They don't really want to cut rates. You know, there's this guy, I think he just spoke like yesterday. Yeah, he's been saying that, you know, like the latest inflation does not increase confidence that, you know, it's time to cut rates. Yeah, there's a lot of hawkish statements coming from these you know, FOMC members. So that's probably the reason why yeah, things have been very bearish recently. Okay, so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and also check out my Twitter account. That's where my latest updates are being placed at. Okay, so Trade Analytics, you can subscribe to this Twitter handle. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you next time.